How to fix your money problems, once and for all. If you are watching this video, for sure, you want to find a solution, how to fix your money problems. If you are sick and tired, every day, facing your financial problems, well, here is the solution that you've been looking for. Here are the simple things that you need to do. First is acceptance. Accept the fact that you have a financial problem. That it is your fault. And if you don't do something about it, you will continue to have this problem. Then, set a goal and have a plan. Is your goal to pay off credit card debts, pay off car loans or student loans, build your emergency fund, or do you want to have money left to invest? You have to have a clear financial target. Next is, write down your budget. Your budget is your guide. It helps you see your financial situation more clearly. It also helps you make better financial decisions. It will help you monitor not only your income, but your expenses as well. You would be able to save money, pay your bills on time, and have a peace of mind knowing your spendings are within your means. Then, pay off your debts and say goodbye to it forever. Most of our financial problems came from debts. If you are making purchases that you cannot pay right away, kick this bad habit. Credit cards are good if you manage it properly. Abuse it, and you know where it will put you. Save money. Save first, then pay your bills. If what is left after saving is not enough money to cover your expenses, find ways to reduce your expenses. You don't need a $100 phone bill per month if you are just a working student. You don't need that gym membership if you don't go there regularly. You don't need Netflix, Disney, or Prime if you already have a cable, or the other way around. Cut your wants to the bones so you can save money. Build your investment. Most people doesn't want to invest because of fear. You are afraid because you don't know. The secret of successful investing is time. But the key is consistency. High-risk investing is only for people who have the heart and extra money. High-risk investing is comparable to gambling. You can become rich or poor in an instant. But if you want your money to be safe, invest it long-term. If you just save money in the bank, you are actually losing its value because of inflation. Save it through investing long-term. Don't forget to track your progress. You will make mistakes or deviate from your goals and plans from time to time, but it's okay. Depending on your financial struggle, it may take a long journey to fix it. But there is no reason to quit. Learn from your mistakes, keep going, and just move forward. Most important of all is, believe in yourself. Accept the fact that you have made poor financial decisions. And no one else can rectify it but yourself. The road to financial freedom is not easy. It will take time and effort on your part, but it will be worth it. Set your goal, create a plan, stick to it and believe you can do it. Believe you can, and you are halfway there.